kind of a material handling automation company. So we do a lot of conveyors, a lot of lift assists. A lot of our equipment goes to the major auto manufacturers. Almost any auto manufacturer on the East Coast will service. So if you walk down the line, you'll see a lot of material handling manipulators, and a lot of those we built. Anything from a simple hook to a fully automated PLC. CBT is one of our valued vendors. They help us spec in different parts, different manufacturers. We can bring a problem to CBT, and Brian will bring in product experts and help us spec out the right type, the right size for what we need. We had a piece of equipment at a manufacturer down in Mississippi that had 3 servo actuators on it, and we were just having a really rough time getting them to work. And we used some actuators that the customer recommended for us. They were having errors, they were having electrical failures, mechanical failures. These things were breaking apart. We came to CBT, said, here's our constraints, this is what we need. We finally got one spec'd in and quoted to the customer. It looks like a much better product than what we have in here originally.